Ms. N. does learned additional PP appearing for the state respondent. Number 1. In this petition under Section 482 SRPC, the petitioner has challenged the correctness or otherwise of the order dated 17/4/2024 passed by the learned additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Nagaon in NI case number 128 of 2023. It is to be noted here that I impugn order. Where is that order?
At page 31, madam. Type copy. The handwritten one is at page 33.
It is to be noted here that by the impugn order dated so and so, dated 17/2/2024, the learned court below has allowed the petitioner to withdraw the case, but no liberty was granted to approach the court again by filing an appropriate petition. Mr. Kaun, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the application, the petition number 880 of 2024 was filed before the learned court below on 17/2/2024 for according permission to withdraw the complaint case number.
Complaint case number
NI case number 178.
128, madam. 128 of 23.
But annexer 4, it is 178.
The annexure 4, that is wrongly typed, madam. 128, madam. 128, madam. 128, madam.
128. For according permission to withdraw the NI case number 128 of 2023 pending before the Court of Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Nagaon, with a liberty to file fresh NI case before the learned court below. But the learned court below, while allowing the pair to withdraw the case, has passed no order in respect of granting liberty to approach the court again by filing another case. By filing another complaint. Peruse the petition and the documents placed on record, and also peruse the impugn order dated so and so. Let notice be issued returnable in 4 weeks. Step be taken by registered post and also by usual process within a week from today. No formal notice is required to be issued to the respondent number 1 since Ms. and thus learned additional PP appears and receive notice. However, extra requisite copy of the petition be furnished to her during the course of the day. Registration call for the scanned copy of the record from the learned court below. List after 4 weeks.
Can it be steps by tomorrow because today is already 4 months?
Pardon?
Steps by to serve to her by tomorrow, madam.
Within two working days.
Item 3.
Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord,
Yes.
this petition on the section 482 CRPC has been preferred for thwarting, my lord, the proceedings of PRC case number 77 be pending before the court of SDGM Okazon, my lord. My lord, in this case, the petitioner, he is a, my lord, deputy ranger of forest department, and my lord, prosecution proceeded against him without obtaining sanction from the competent authority and filed charge sheet, and thereafter cognizance was taken, charge was also framed, and in this case, while discharging his official duty, the alleged offense occurred, my lord. The allegation in the
Who was this petitioner at that point of time?
At that point of time, he was forester, my lord. And
Forester,
he is protected because under the forest regulation, he is a forest official, and as per section, my lord, 3 subsection 1, forester is a forest officer, and all forest officer are deemed to be public servant under regulation 69 of the forest regulation, my lord. So, my lord, he is a public servant under the meaning of IPC, and my lord, allegation against him that on that particular date, that is on 11/7/21, he went to the dhaba of the, my lord, respondent number 2, and he demanded one bottle of wine and also demanded 5,000 rupees.
Is it in discharge of your official duty?
No.
Then
But that FIR was lost subsequently. Prior to that, we have lost the FIR. He was leading a petrol party of forest official in Bokazan Reserve Forest, my lord. And he found that this dhaba owner has engaged one person who was clearing the jungle. And that dhaba is also located in the protected reserve forest. So immediately he went and he was prevented. Then he seized the equipment which were used for clearing the jungle, and he filed a, my lord, FIR before Borpothar police station. That FIR was filed, my lord, at, my lord, 2:30 p.m. and subsequently after 6 hours, this dhaba owner, that is respondent number 2, when he was called to police station, he filed the FIR against, my lord, the petitioner, my lord. Now, my lord, both these FIRs were suscited, my lord. The FIR filed by the petitioner and FIR filed by the, my lord, that respondent number 2. But if your lordship comes to, my lord, Annexer 11 at page 43, page 53, your lordship will find that is an order whereby petitioner was, this is the order, my lord, at page 53, Annexer 11. This is passed by Assistant Conservator of Forest, Northeastern Region, Silonijan. It is addressed to Sonaram Timung, FR1, Forester 1. So he is the petitioner here, and he ran Silonijan. Subject is checking of enforcement status under Number Reserve Forest West Block. It is seen that for the last few days, enforcement under Number Reserve Forest West Block from nearby village has increasing. Regular patrolling duty along with armed home guards personnel, master rule worker is urgently needed to stop their activities. Hence, you are hereby entrusted as group leader, this is important, of the patrolling team and perform duty accordingly from 10/7/2021. Also, please ensure if any fresh enforcement is seen, laws and affair under the Forest Conservation Act 1891 against the doers at the nearest police station. And date of this order is 10/7. And the incident took place immediately next day. So that FIR is which the petitioner has filed, that is at page 48, Annexer 10. Page 48, Annexer 10. So this FIR is filed by my lord petitioner. 2 officer in charge. The date is 11/7/2021. 2 officer in charge, Borpothar Police Station, FIR. I have the honor to report you that on 11/7/2021 morning at around 10 a.m. as per ACF IC Aniran Silonijan instruction, while myself accompanied with ASG personnel went on patrolling duty and found one person was cutting and clearing the forest area near Number Reserve Forest West Block, and asked that person. He told me that the hotel owner, namely Rajiv Fukan is respondent number 2, son of late Gopal Fukan of Podumuni PS, Sorupatha district, Golaghat, has ordered him to clear the forest. And I told him to bring the hotel owner again and again, but the hotel owner could not come outside. So I entered the hotel and asked the owner to see the clearing forest, but he attempted to attack our team. So I beat him with one stick. Then he came out. So he illegally encroached and occupy number reserve west forest west block area, which is
Okay,
totally-
at what stage the both the cases are pending now?
Yes, my lord.
At what
Yes,
stage
yes.
the cases are pending now?
Both the cases were seated, and my lord, the case which was against my lord respondent number 2, my lord, as the punishment involved is less than 3 years, my lord, as per government notification, that case has been closed, my lord. Because both the case proceeded as a, that was also taken up as a cross case, along with this case, my lord. But as the participant involved in that particular case against respondent number 3, punishment was less than 3 years, as per my lord recent government notification, where government instructed for withdrawal of the cases where punishment is less than 3 years. That case was withdrawn by the government, my lord. But case against my lord petitioner, that is continuing. And my lord, this case, my lord, your honor will find he has also seized some of the items.
Okay,
Why?
this is let notice go. We'll
At
call
least, my
for the
lord,
record.
my lord, in the interim, my lord,
No,
because
after
till date, my lord,
receiving
no witness has been examined, my lord.
after receiving record from the learned court below, we'll consider your interim pair. Let the record come. Heard, Mr.
Yes, orally.
Learned counsel for the petitioner and also heard Ms. Enders learned additional PP for the state respondent number 1. In this petition under section 482 CRPC, the petitioner, namely Sri Sona Singh
Singh.
Timong, has prayed for quashing the PRC case number 77 of 2022 under section 387 IPC pending before the Court of Learned Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate Bukazan. Judicial Magistrate Roshin Bucket M. Bukazan, Karbi Anglong. Peruse the petition and the documents placed on record. Let notice be issued to the respondents returnable in 4 weeks. Step be taken by registered post and also by usual process within a week from today. Upon respondent number 2, within 2 working days from today. No formal notice is required to be issued to the respondent number 1. Since Ms. N does learn an additional PP appears and receive notice, however, extra requisite copy of the petition be furnished to her during the course of the day. Registrar call for the scanned copy of the record of PRC case number 77 of 2022 under section 387 IPC pending before the Court of Learned from the Court of Learned Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate M. Bukazan, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Interim pair of the petitioner will be considered after receiving the record from the learned court below. List after 4 weeks.
All right. Number 4.
Lordship, this honorable court was gracious enough to consider the interim bail pair of the other 3 accused petitioners. Accordingly, fixed the matter on 14/5/2024.
Here is the husband also.
And here is the husband. I submit before this honorable court, Annexure 2 clearly speaks that he was not there at the place of occurrence on that day. He was on duty. Annexure 2, given by Circle Officer Matia,
At page number?
page number 18. This is to certify that Sri Sasodhar Rava, son of Praveen Rava, village so-and-so, has been working as LRA in the office of the undersigned on 18 March. Since 18 March, as per record, he was on duty on 1st April 2024. Performed his duty. He has not taken a leave from 1st April 2024 till today, and he is performing his duty at the office under the undersigned. So he is on duty.
So the place of occurrence is located at a distance of
It is more than 3 hours journey
from
from
Matia.
Matia to Golpara. Matia place to Golpara to Boko.
Boko to Matia.
Matia,
Matia is in Golpara district.
Golpara district.
And
Boko is in Kamrup district.
Boko is in Kamrup
Kamrup
district. But it is bordering Goalpara,
Goalpara. But it is more than 3.5 hours journey.
3 hours.
3 hours journey.
No,
And
no,
then-
no, no, no. Within 3 hours, you can reach Bongaigaon from here.
But it is definitely not less than 2 hours journey. It is
No,
not-
no, no, never, never.
1 hour 46 minute.
1 hour,
46 minute.
46 minutes.
So at night,
So when the occurrence took place during night hours.
Night
Night
hours,
hours.
Lord. Only
at
single.
night hours.
Okay, Mr. Bhagavati, we will peruse the case diary. Let the
Yeah.
case diary come.
Yes, sir.
We have already called for it.
Lordship,
On-
this even otherwise also Lordship will definitely vote 497, 498 cases.
No,
Only
that's
thing-
all right, but
there may be
the
question
plea you have taken on the other day,
Uh.
I don't think that there is any scope for reconciliation.
Actually, my suspicion is like that he has
From
been,
Kamrup Lordship, today's
that lady
23rd.
has been maintaining a relation with another person because of whom there was a rift between the parties. And that is why this affair has been occurred. So my suspicion at this stage, this can still be considered some, at least if not marriage, at least they should have separated with or not. So my suspicion at this stage, if you kindly do not grant me interim relief, that situation will again be a not good one. Let at least interim relief till that day, till that return.
Lordship short date may be given on 29th Lordship.
No,
only
madam,
single.
yesterday or when we have called for
14.5.
14/5.
Yeah, the, sister and mother.
Sister to sister, some other.
He is a government servant.
He's a government servant.
God. Heard Mr. Bhagavati, learned counsel for the applicant, and also heard Ms. Endas, learned additional PP for the state respondent. Apprehending arrest in connection with Baku PS case number 157 of 2024 under section 498 A IPC. This application under section 438 service is prepared by applicant Sosodor Rava for grant of PRSP. The above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR. Whether that order is available here, when it was passed yesterday, or
Yesterday it was passed.
what is the number of the bill application?
1026/24.
Correct. Mr. Bhagavati, learned counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is the alleged husband of the informant, and he is a public servant working as LRA in the office of the circle officer, Matia Revenue Circle, Matia, and that on the relevant date, he was working at Matia, which is situated at a distance of about 3 hours from Matia, not from the place of occurrence, and that the applicant and that fixing 15
14.5.
14/5 CD has already been called for in connection with BA number AB number
1026 of
1026 of 2024, and on that day case diary may be perused to dispose of the present application also. Until receipt of the case diary, the applicant may be allowed to remain the prevalence of PRS bail may be extended to the present applicant. On the other hand, Ms. Endas, learned additional PP, has opposed the petition on the ground that the present applicant is the husband of the informant, and that the distance between Matia and the place of occurrence is of only 1 hour journey. And as such, Ms. Das submits that a CD may be called for urgently. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have carefully gone to the petition and the documents placed on record. As the case diary has already been called for fixing the matter on 14/5/2024, this court deemed it necessary to produce the case diary to dispose of the present application also. Accordingly, it is provided that case diary will be perused to dispose of the present application also. And having regards to the nature and gravity of the offense, as well as the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, this court is inclined to extend the privilege of PRS bail to the applicant till receipt of the case diary. And accordingly, it is provided that in the event of arrest of the applicant in connection with Baku PS case number so and so under section so and so, he shall be released on interim PRS bail on his executing a bond of rupees 50,000, which one charitable amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. The above privileges are subject to the following three conditions. Last condition, he shall not leave the jurisdiction of JM First Class Baku without prior permission. This order dated,
Lordship, he is residing in Golpar office, so
maybe, but
no,
he has to obtain permission
no,
from
like-
JM First Class
Okay.
Baku. This pair number 2 and 3 of order dated 22/4/2024.
very kind of him.
Item number 5.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, my lord, report 38 application, my lord. Petitioner is a doctor by dentist profession, my lord. I take your lordship, annexure 1, page 13 is the affair. my lord. Page 13, my lord. May I read, my lord? Page 13, my lord.
Yesterday also lordship, your lordship,
Request
called
for
for the CD lordship.
When?
Yesterday lordship,
Yesterday?
this lordship.
my lord. I do not know, my lord.
No,
May I take your lordship? my
Similar
lord? Annexure
allegation.
13,
when
my
the
lord.
case has been fixed?
That will, I think, subordinate.
My lord,
As a motion of.
let me submit, page 13, my lord. Request
Okay.
for verification of
88,
documents
24.
of few suspected dental practitioner of the.
When we have called for the case ID?
Lordship, I have to check.
Acha.
I'll check.
My lord, I
Okay.
am for the number 1 in the affair mentioned, Dr. S. Islam. Now, subject is for a verification of this practitioner certificate. Now, I take a lordship, my documents were
88,
annexed to
public
page
24.
15. This is a certificate, this is a first year mark sheet, my lord. Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut. Well, I do not know whatever the other petition on that. Annexed to page 16 is the second year mark sheet. 17 is the third year mark sheet. 18 is the fourth year mark sheet. Then, my lord, this is the certificate from the university, Vice Chancellor, my lord. Then I take a lordship, page 20 is the compulsory money internship, my lord.
This.
Followed by, my lord, this is the attempt certificate on first time I have completed. This is the, my lord, certificate from the Maharashtra State Dental Council. The allegation is in the affair, my lord, my registration is suspected. My lord, if your lordship kindly see the affair,
Hmm.
suspect to be. My registration under.
Okay, we have already called for the case ID on 29th.
My lord.
So on that day, we will peruse the case ID to
Malad.
dispose of your application
No,
also.
so till then, I will protect my lord.
No,